Hello guys, and once again, welcome to my vlog. So for today, Mazda 3 ulit. So it's been a while since I last posted the comparison video. And right now, ang gagawin naman natin is magdi-DIY tayo ng accessory dito sa Mazda 3. So I still haven't taken it to mix store. Marami akong gustong ipakabit sa mix store, mga TPU film and all. Pero for now, magkabit muna tayo ng dashcam. So this is a 70mai A400, yung front and rear set. And then bumili rin ako ng 128GB na SD card. So ito yung una ko talagang binili since it's essential, di ba, right now. And alam naman natin ang situation ng traffic sa atin. So ito yung una kong binili at kakabit para magamit. So ayan, quick unboxing muna. Ang nasa loob niya is a plastic prying tool, yung cable ng rear cam, USB cable, and 12-volt socket or 12-volt adapter, pero di natin magagamit yan. Then we have the manuals and electrostatic stickers, and the main attraction, yung front cam. It has 1440p, 145 degrees na view, and aperture of 2.0. Tapos, yung rear cam natin, it has an FOV of 135 and 1080p. So, before natin siya dalhin dun sa baba, what I did is just a quick setup and a quick power test para sure tayo na bago ako magpagod dun is gumagana muna, di ba? So, ayan, tinest ko yung front cam, okay naman siya. And then, tinest ko din yung rear camera. And ayan, gumana rin naman. So one thing I also like about this one is it has an app sync feature. So pwede mo i-connect yung phone mo tapos ilipat mo directly yung videos. So ano rin yun, convenience. Di gaya nung isa na palipat-lipat ako ng SD card. So right now, first thing na gagawin ko dito is check ko muna kung ba gusto ikabit. So I've decided to put it right in front of rear view mirror since wala naman ako nung sensor diyan dito sa variant ko. So ayan, we have electrostatic stickers. So ang purpose nito is para walang dumikit na adhesive dun sa window mo in case na gusto mong palitan yung dashcam. And at the same time, hindi masira yung windshield pagka tinanggal. So, yun yung purpose ng electrostatic sticker since wala yung adhesive. So, electrostatic yung pandikit niya. So, ayan, nakabit ko na siya dun. So, kinabit ko na rin sa kanya yung dashcam. Next is routing na nung USB cable. So, pinadaan ko siya from there sa dashcam, papunta dun sa headliner. And then, tumawid siya dun sa A-pillar. So, nakatago siya dun sa rubber na insulator ng A-pillar. And then tumawid ulit sa ilalim ng matting. Ayan, hindi siya kita. Ang dilim. And then nakakabit siya dun sa USB port ng dashboard. So, but hindi sa center console. Well, hindi na siya umabot. So, ayan. Next naman is yung cable for the rear cam. Balak ko naman is sa driver side siya padaanin para hindi siksikan yung cable sa headliner sa passenger. So, ayan. May electrostatic sticker ulit. Doon ulit natin kinabit yung camera para walang kalat pag tinanggal. And then tinago ko siya sa likod nitong passenger seats. Then underneath the matting. Tapos tumawid ulit siya doon sa A-pillar, doon sa rubber insulator. And then sa headliner ulit. And going to the dashcam. So yun, okay na. So we can now test drive. And here we go, sample footage. Ayan. So as you can see, this is 1440p native, but the video na ina-edit ko is currently on 1080p. So medyo compressed. But in terms of clarity, if you're gonna see it natively sa 1440p, sobrang linaw. And yung readability ng surroundings is also a plus. So sample, ayan. As you can see, yung mga text dun sa poster is readable. Even the license plate. So takpan lang natin for privacy. Pero in terms of identification, magagamit mo yung front cam. Now, the same cannot be said dito sa rear cam because hindi siya ganun kalinaw in terms of readability. Pero malinaw siya sa footage. So I think effective siya in terms of surveillance and extra view din in case of if you need to investigate something or whatever. Pero yung in terms of identification, I don't think you can use the rear cam. So front cam lang yung malinaw sa plates. So wala akong night footage, unfortunately, since hapon ko to ginawa lahat. And that's basically it for our DIY. So thank you guys for watching and expect more content of it, related to this Mazda 3 soon.